What's up once again? Domino 7 here on Instagram Live, eventually on YouTube. I just came from Facebook Live, you know. Yep. It's a it's a rainy Christmas Eve, okay? And they still over there playing fetch, okay? Like I said on Facebook Live, okay? And on YouTube Live, you know. Uh-huh. So what a day. They say Peyton Malone and Damon no, not Damon Singleton, and whoever else that as part of the weather, the weather people, they say it's gonna be 100% rain. So remember, y'all, do not drive through flooded streets. Merry Christmas Eve, y'all. Okay, Happy Christmas Eve, I should say. You know, so so I mean, it haven't rained. I don't remember it raining on Christmas Eve in my life. If it did, I must have forgot. I must have was young. You know. All right. Yeah, the police department, New Orleans police. All right. I always salute the police though. It's serving our community. Yep. All right. Okay. So I sure wish I could spend Christmas with my baby Erica though. Tanya, I still love you though. Okay. Ashley, I still love you, but Ashley, you ain't the one for me if you're watching this. But I'm glad me and Ashley broke up. Broke up with me behind my back. She dumped me behind my back, which I'm happy about, and started seeing another man. I was happy for her. What upset me? Well, I'll tell y'all that another time. Okay. Oh well. Anyway, I'll tell y'all that another time. Okay. Well, that's it. All right. See y'all later. If it rains hard, I'll be right back on this one. Okay.